It's not the first time that these issues are happening in Kisii. It's been happening Koruchinga Kyonyonkale Ngororo up to now. The question becomes, yes, people will point fingers at Kisii because the other day when we did the ranking in politics, in corruption, Kisii was leading as among corruption. Does it have any association with cheating accusations? Does it have any political agenda behind it? Now, why the top schools in Kisii and not any other schools? Does it mean cheating? Igego korwa say the prominent schools Kisii, go say these are the schools chibwada the highest impact as a Kisii. Aso moibulyo ohakanere chibesa for the last 4 years. Not only moibuli but at your mwana or invested 4 years of education. To get this kind of disappointment is indeed so sad. Just imagine the single mother you were talking about, who's been sacrificing each and every day. Orale tundubali, egeranya ole chibesa, akanero mwane school fees. And then, after all these years, nothing. And the sad part, mwana talikuira na go to school in the year 2016, I enrolled go koramatem. They have to sit out. Two things can happen to Omwanoyo. Either Obogmaboy will be wasted for the rest of his life, Ekiagara Hamuyeskuru Yaruro after 4 years, or be patient enough to go back to school whereby their peers will be in the workforce. School. So the achievement gap keeps on increasing. Indeed, it's about time we have some accountability. If cheating is done, then there should be data. Ekooroki, why did they reach the consensus that these and these schools cheated versus these other schools? Where is the irregularity? But do we ever follow up? Do our leaders follow up? Or at the end of the day, it is the parent who is left holding the bag of disappointment. So I think it's about time our voices start getting heard. A few years ago you saw Nyabururu Koba given the wise. But after questioning, after 1 year, what happened? The decision was reversed. Exactly. So what made the difference? The questioning and asking the right questions. So, Chiskuru Ejichira affected. I think it's about time if we have leaders who really listen to the people, because you're only a leader because you represent people. But if you are a leader because you want to have the mantle of being a leader but you don't represent the people, then we have a problem. And it's about time Gusieta Keirego those leaders who ask for the right answers why Gusiega and Retekoba impacted. And if we do that, I think maybe we can make a reverse of this trend. It is becoming a trend as a Kisii.